Welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. This is part 2 of a video I posted some time ago. So this is the lead section of this particular video right here. If you're interested in learning the rhythm section as well, then hit the link here and it will take you right to that video. All my videos come with tabs, and as well I have included a backing track for you. It's available in the description. I'll play the whole demo. So if you haven't heard the rhythm part yet, at least you get an idea what this is all about. And if you like to learn it as well, again, go back and to the previous video and learn that. If you enjoy my lesson, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification when new lessons go up. Thank you so much. So let's go listen to the demo, and then I'll break it down lick by lick for you. Okay, let's break down this solo. So you can start by playing the chord and then immediately go into that solo. Okay, so we're going to slide to D7, pick G5, pick G7, then a full bend and a release on a 7. And then a pull off to 5 on a G, back to D7, back to G7, and then do G5 and a quarter bend. That's lick 1. And a vibrato there too at the end. Lick 2. Okay, so again we play the D9, we're going into the D9 from A. So we play the D9, then we're going to pull off from E5 to 3, then from B5 to 3, back to E3, back a pull off from B5 to 3, we'll go to G5, and then a slide from 2 to 5. And a vibrato there, okay? Lick 3. We'll just do a down strum on the A bar chord. And then we'll slide. Down strum, we'll slide to G9, and we'll pick B8 twice with a little vibrato. 2 bends on the E10, pick the 10 again, go to E8, and then really fast, E8, pull off from B10 to A, and then to G9. Next we're going to play that D9 chord again, and then this. Okay, so a double stop, B5, E5, then the same on B7, G7, full bend and release, and then a pull off from G7 to G5. Then D7, G7, and G5, vibrato. Okay, so next we're going to stay on D9, we'll play it again. So we play D9, we pick B5, E5, and then with the ring finger we slide to B10. And then E8, back to B10. And a vibrato. Okay, so lick 6. So we play a double stop slide, so we're on E3 and G4. We hyperpick that, and we'll slide to E5 and G6. Then we play this one more time, kind of and palm mute it, and then immediately slide to G9 and E9. We play this again, and then we'll move that whole formation to the 12th, okay? So you're on G12 and E12. And then you can play this again, okay? We're on 17, E and B, and we just slide up. Now we're going to go into the turnaround, okay, and over the E chord, the E9 chord, we play this. And on this note here, we're actually going into the D9 chord, okay. So we bar both the B and the E string, and then we'll hammer on B14. And hit the B and E string again. Okay, then we go to G14, 13, and D14. Little vibrato there. Then we'll repeat that. Okay, but then we just rest here on the G14 with a little vibrato. Okay. So now we're in D9 for sure. Then we'll do this. We slide to D12 and B13. Okay. With your ring finger you hit the G14. Then we slide again to E14 and B15, and then back to that old position, E12 and 13. So we go up to G14, 12, back to 14. Little vibrato there if you have time. And then the last part, So basically we bar both the B and E, and we'll do a little rake here. And then immediately pull off from E12, 11 to 10. And then a pull off from B13 to B10. Then G12 and G9. Then we'll play the D10 twice. And then a slide, you know, from anywhere really, but you just slide to 12. And then we'll play this chord, and it's the C-shaped A chord. Okay. Play that once. And then we finish with that Hendrix chord. So when you slide to 12, do that with your ring finger, because then you just have to put your other fingers in place for that C7 chord. Then open E and the Hendrix chord. And that's the end of it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you're looking for more, there's a whole bunch on my channel. Go browse around. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care.